what channels would you say are the most important when building a community in the Web3 or DeFi space?
I would say the number one will be Twitter, then it will be Telegram and Discord. You can experiment with other channels as well, but those three are like the whales of building a great, responsive and Web3 community.
When it comes to Twitter, what would you say is the most important aspect of building a community on Twitter? How would you approach that? What would you advise Web3 companies when building presence on Twitter?
Not an easy question to cover because it actually consists of several questions. Like what to write about. Twitter is pretty tough to craft because you have very limited with the size of the content. You are limited with this span of attention of the audience, and you need to be really bright and up to date and in a moment to make it happen, to make it right for your audience. And you again need to understand your audience very well. So that is about the content and about understanding the moment, about not afraid to be yourself. And that's also a very important part because you cannot pretend that you are something you are not, both if you are a brand or if you are managing your personal profile. That is one part about the content itself, but the even more important part, how to make this content visible. There are different approaches on Twitter how to make that happen. You can partner from the content perspective with different communities of relevant people and relevant brands, and in this case you will address the audience of each other. That is one option for growth. Partnerships are important to grow your community, to be more visible. You can follow the experts and you can mention the experts, then you will be seen and you will be lucky to get noticed by those experts. That will also help to grow the audience. You can promote the tweets. That is probably not the most, I would say, popular practice in the market, but it's very result oriented in case you want to make things done fast. And of course, organic, following back, it's pretty old school stuff, but it still works.